There you go, JC. Huh?
No, I usually just snow them in your feet.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it does.